Did you know that peanuts aren't actually nuts at all? They're legumes, related to beans and lentils? But don't let that fool you, these little powerhouses have been making a big impact on human history and health for thousands of years. Oh peanut, in the garden green, your journey's one that's truly seen. From ancient Incas' cherished crop, to modern kitchens, you never stop. Religious offerings. As early as 1500 BCE, the Incas of Peru used peanuts as sacrificial offerings. They entombed peanuts with their mummies. This was believed to help the deceased in the afterlife. Imagine, something as simple as a peanut holding such spiritual significance. In fields of gold, you sprout and grow, your humble roots, they surely show. A legacy so rich and grand, the peanut's mark on every land. Let's start our journey in South America, where peanuts originated. Ancient Incas and Aztecs were among the first to cultivate these underground treasures. They even used peanuts in their religious ceremonies. Pottery inspiration. Ancient South American civilizations made pottery in the shape of peanuts or decorated jars with peanut designs as far back as 3,500 years ago. From there, Spanish explorers brought peanuts back to Europe, and later, they made their way to Africa and Asia, where they were quickly adopted into local cuisines. Fast forward to the 1700s, when peanuts made their way to North America. But it wasn't until the 19th century that they really took off. During the Civil War, both Union and Confederate soldiers relied on peanuts as a crucial source of protein. Now, let's talk about the peanut's rise to fame. We can't discuss peanut history without mentioning George Washington Carver. This brilliant scientist developed over 300 products from peanuts, including milk, cheese, and even soap. His work revolutionized agriculture in the American South and helped establish the peanut as a major crop. Peanut, peanut, heart so pure, in every form, you do allure. A simple nut with grand acclaim, the world is brighter with your name. Today, peanuts are a major crop in the U.S., particularly in states like Georgia, Texas, and Alabama. In the fields where farmers toil, you rise up from the fertile soil. To markets near and far you roam, bringing tasty treats to every home. Peanuts are packed with nutrients. Just a handful provides a good dose of protein, healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, magnesium, and folate. These nutrients contribute to various health benefits. Heart health. Their monounsaturated fats help lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Studies show that regular consumption of peanuts can decrease the likelihood of cardiovascular issues. Weight management. Worried about weight? Peanuts can help. Despite being calorie-dense, peanuts and peanut butter can aid in weight management. They promote a feeling of fullness and help control appetite, thanks to their high protein and fiber content. Diabetes prevention. Their low glycemic index and nutrient profile help manage blood sugar levels, making them a smart choice for those aiming to prevent or manage diabetes. Brain health. They contain nutrients like niacin and vitamin E, which are linked to better cognitive function and reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases. But a word of caution, while peanuts are healthy for most people, they're also one of the most common food allergens. Always be mindful of potential allergies when sharing or consuming peanuts. In a shell, a nut so small, but its worth is known to all. In a comment section below, please write what do you call a peanut in your language. From ancient lands where it did grow, to kitchens now, where flavors flow. Beyond health, peanuts are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. From savory dishes in Asian cuisine to classic American peanut butter, they add flavor and nutrition to countless recipes. Different dishes featuring peanuts. Thai cuisine, peanut butter, sauces, sandwiches, snacks. Peanut, peanut, oh so sweet, a snack that's always hard to beat. In butter spread or brittle fine, you bring delight in every line. Recipe, Peanut butter banana delicious, healthy ice cream. Ingredients: 4 ripe bananas, sliced and frozen, 1/4 cup natural peanut butter, no added sugar or oil, 1/4 cup unsweetened almond milk, or any milk of your choice, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, pinch of salt, optional, to enhance flavor. Optional toppings: chopped peanuts, dark chocolate chips, honey, or sliced bananas. Instructions: prepare the bananas. Slice the ripe bananas and place them in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Freeze the banana slices for at least 2 hours, or until completely frozen. Blend the ice cream. In a high-powered blender or food processor, add the frozen banana slices. Blend until the bananas start to break down and become creamy. You may need to stop and scrape down the sides a few times. Add the peanut butter, almond milk, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt if using. Continue to blend until the mixture is smooth and creamy. If the mixture is too thick, add a little more almond milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, until the desired consistency is reached. Serve immediately. For a soft serve consistency, serve the peanut butter banana ice cream immediately. Scoop into bowls and add any optional toppings such as chopped peanuts, dark chocolate chips, honey, or sliced bananas. Freeze for later. If you prefer a firmer ice cream, transfer the mixture to an airtight container and freeze for an additional 1–2 hours. From simple snacks to gourmet meals, the joy a peanut always feels. A humble nut, but full of cheer. Peanut, peanut, we hold you dear. Now it is time for a funny dialogue between Peanut and Pistachio. Peanut: hey Pistachio, ever wonder who the better nut is? Hint: it's me. Pistachio: ha! You wish, Peanut. Have you seen my vibrant green color? I'm the nut that stands out in a crowd. Peanut: color isn't everything, Pistachio. People love me for my versatility. I can be roasted, salted, turned into butter, or even used in savory dishes. Talk about being a jack of all trades. Pistachio: versatility, huh? Well, I bring elegance to the table. Ever been to a fancy party without pistachios? I don't think so. I'm the gourmet snack everyone talks about. Peanut: gourmet, schmormet. I'm the comfort food hero. Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, peanut butter cups, and don't forget the classic peanut brittle. I'm everyone's childhood and squirrel favorite. Pistachio: sure, if you want to be stuck in a lunchbox forever. Meanwhile, I'm lounging in luxurious ice creams, exotic baklava, and even top-tier salads. I'm the celebrity of nuts. Peanut: celebrity? More like high maintenance. Have you seen how people struggle to open your shell? I'm accessible and easy to enjoy. Just a simple crack and I'm ready to eat. Pistachio: that's just part of my charm, Peanut. I make people work for the reward, and it's always worth it. Plus, my shells are great for art projects. Multifunctional, if you ask me. Peanut: art projects? Seriously? My shells are compostable and contribute to soil health. I'm good for the environment and the body. Beat that. Pistachio: oh please, I'm packed with antioxidants and healthy fats. I help keep hearts ticking and waistlines in check. People love me because I'm a health nut. Peanut: health nut, huh? I've got protein, fiber, and essential vitamins. And let's not forget, I've been a lifesaver in times of war and crisis. Peanuts don't just taste good, they do good. Pistachio: alright, I'll give you that, but admit it, I'm the nut people turn to when they want to impress. I'm the star of gourmet dishes and festive occasions. Peanut: and I'm the nut people turn to for everyday joy. From the playground to the pantry, I'm always there, bringing smiles and satisfaction. Pistachio: maybe we both have our perks. Fancy or fun, we each have a special place in people's hearts. Peanut: agreed. We may be different, but together, we make the world a nuttier, happier place. Pistachio: here's to being the best nuts in our own unique ways. Peanut, cheers to that, pistachio. Stay happy and nutty healthy. I will see you in my next nutritious episode. In my dreams, a peanut tree, with golden nuts that fall to me. I gather them with tender care, a treasure trove beyond a door. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.